Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a playlist on YouTube without a channel. First, let's go into the app. Then you'll simply search for the video that you'd like to add to your playlist. And after you have found a video, you'll simply select the three dots right below the title, right here, right beside the title in the right hand corner. And then you can press Save the Playlist. And then you can either save it to watch later, or you can select New Playlist and create a name, for instance, and then you'll press Create, and that's it. And then you can go on any other video that you see. You can also save it to that playlist. And to find the playlist now, you can simply press you can simply press Library, and you'll see your playlist right here. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.